Welcome, young adventurers, to the magical world of Hansel and Gretel, the Candy Kingdom Rescue. In a land where mystery meets sweetness, our brave siblings stumble upon a glittering note that promises a call to adventure. From their humble village, they embark on a wondrous journey through enchanted forests and into a dazzling candy kingdom, where every candy-coated path hides a secret and every challenge is a chance to grow. Get ready to join Hansel and Gretel as they discover that courage, teamwork, and a sprinkle of magic can change the world. Our story begins in a quiet little village where siblings Hansel and Gretel lived in a small cottage. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, they stumbled upon a mysterious note, one that would change their lives forever. "Help us! The Candy Kingdom is in danger!" it read. Though their parents dismissed the message as a child's prank, Hansel and Gretel couldn't shake the feeling that someone truly needed their help. And so, their grand adventure began. Guided by the cryptic note, Hansel and Gretel ventured deep into the forest. There, they discovered something truly astonishing. A portal that sparkled like spun sugar, calling them forward. Stepping through, they found themselves in the Candy Kingdom, a realm of delightful sweets and dazzling colors. But beneath the sugary surface, a sense of urgency filled the air, as if the entire kingdom were bracing for trouble. At the heart of the Candy Kingdom stood a bustling courtyard, where colorful citizens hurried about with worry etched on their sweet faces. Hansel and Gretel soon learned the kingdom's plight. A wicked witch had stolen the precious sugar crystal, the magical heart of all candy. With Captain Lolly's guidance, our brave siblings resolved to do whatever it took to restore the Candy Kingdom's power and protect its people. Hansel and Gretel's quest led them into the gumdrop forest, a wonderland of sweet surprises and unexpected dangers. Hansel nearly sank into a pit of chocolate quicksand before Gretel's quick thinking saved the day. And when living licorice vines threatened to block their path, the siblings worked together, using brains and bravery to forge ahead. At last, beyond the forest's edge, they caught a glimpse of a looming, dark castle. If the sugar crystal was anywhere, it had to be there. Inside the eerie castle, every hallway whispered with dark magic. At last, Hansel and Gretel came face to face with Madame Bitter Cocoa, a witch whose powers twisted even the sweetest treats into dangerous traps. She tried to beguile Hansel with visions of endless candy, but Gretel's resolve held strong. Together, they outsmarted the witch, snatching the sugar crystal from her grasp. Furious and defeated, Madame Bitter Cocoa vanished into the shadows, leaving the siblings with the kingdom's most precious treasure. With the sugar crystal reclaimed, Hansel and Gretel raced back to the Candy Kingdom, where hope was beginning to fade. The moment the crystal was restored to its rightful place, color and light flooded the land once more. The people of the Candy Kingdom rejoiced, grateful to the brave siblings who had risked everything to save them. Through trust, teamwork, and unwavering courage, Hansel and Gretel proved that even the most daunting challenges could be overcome. And so, they returned to their own village with hearts full of wonder, knowing that real magic often lies in the strength of family and the power of doing what's right. With the glowing sugar crystals safely restored to the candy fountain, the Candy Kingdom bursts back to life, its colors more vibrant than ever, and its people rejoicing in harmony. Hansel and Gretel's daring adventure reminds us all that, when we work together and trust in our own strengths, even the most daunting obstacles can be overcome. Their journey teaches us the power of determination, the importance of kindness, and the magic found in every act of bravery. Thank you for joining us on this sweet adventure. If you loved this tale, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical stories. And always remember, every journey begins with a single step. So keep exploring, keep dreaming, and never stop believing in the power of your own story.